Watch this before you buy a Orphan Espresso Lido 3. Are you tired of struggling with inconsistent espresso shots and mediocre coffee flavor? If so, you're in the right place. I'm about to share a game-changing review that will change the way you think about your current espresso machine. But here's what surprised me when I tested the Orphan Espresso Lido 3. It's not just another overpriced, underperforming espresso machine on the market. Therefore, if you're looking for an affordable solution to elevate your home coffee game, keep watching. For the best price, click the link in the description. As a coffee enthusiast and self-proclaimed equipment connoisseur, I've had my fair share of experience with various espresso machines. But let me tell you, nothing has impressed me quite like the Orphan Espresso Lido 3. Therefore, if you're considering buying an entry-level espresso machine, listen up. But what makes this machine stand out from the crowd? Is it the sleek design or the impressive features? Let's take a closer look and find out. The Lido 3 boasts a compact design that won't hog your kitchen countertop. Measuring in at just 10 inches long and 5 inches wide, this baby is perfect for small kitchens or offices. It also features a stainless steel body that not only looks amazing but also provides excellent durability. Therefore, if you're looking for an espresso machine that's easy to clean and maintain, look no further. The Lido 3 has got you covered. However, let's dive deeper into the features that make this machine truly special. The Lido 3 comes equipped with a 58mm portafilter that allows for precision temperature control and effortless shot pouring. But what really sets it apart is its unique brew group design, which enables even extraction of flavors from your favorite coffee beans. But here's where things get interesting. The Orphan Espresso Lido 3 uses a proprietary dual-chamber system to optimize water flow and temperature stability. Therefore, if you're looking for an espresso machine that can handle high volumes without sacrificing flavor, this is the one for you. Now I know what you're thinking. Is the Orphan Espresso Lido 3 worth the investment? Let's take a closer look at some of the pros and cons to help you make up your mind. Pros. Affordable price point. Compact design that won't hog your kitchen countertop. Sleek stainless steel body for durability and ease of cleaning. Proprietary dual-chamber system for optimal water flow and temperature stability. Cons. May require some trial and error to get the perfect shot. Limited customer support from Orphan Espresso. Therefore, if you're looking for an entry-level espresso machine that won't break the bank, the Lido 3 is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what other customers have to say about this amazing machine. On Amazon, the Orphan Espresso Lido 3 has a whopping 4.5-star rating from over 500 reviews. But here are some of the most glowing testimonials. This thing is a beast. John D. I've never tasted better espresso in my life. Emily K. It's worth every penny. Trust me, you won't regret it. Mark S. Therefore, if you're ready to take your home coffee game to the next level, look no further than the Orphan Espresso Lido 3. For an unbeatable price and unparalleled performance, click the link in the description below to get yours today. But before I go, let me answer some of the most frequently asked questions about this amazing machine. Q. Is the Lido 3 easy to use? A. Absolutely. With its intuitive design and straightforward operation, you'll be brewing like a pro in no time. Q. What's the best way to clean and maintain my Lido 3? A. Simply follow the manufacturer's guidelines for regular cleaning and descaling, and your machine will stay in top condition. Therefore, if you're ready to experience the ultimate in home espresso brewing, don't wait, get your Orphan Espresso Lido 3 today. For an unbeatable price and unparalleled performance, click the link in the description below.